I'm on the Viva Norwegian cruise ship in a balcony room. This is one of their newer cruise ships. It's actually a really nice size. One of the bigger balcony rooms I've been in. But let's see, as you come in, you have nice closet space and a safe. Place to hang all your stuff. Nice little baskets here that pull out. And then a place to hang even more, store your bags. The bathroom is really big for a cruise room. You have your toilets, your mirror, and then of course the nice size shower, which is bigger than some of the other cruise ships. Place to hang up jackets and coats and other things. We have this sofa. And then we have the king size bed that can be separated into twins. And then plenty of storage below to put your luggage after you unpack. A desk. And then you got a little cold fridge, mini bar if you want to purchase anything from the mini bar. TV on the wall. Little table, bedside tables. And then we have the balcony room. We're still in port in Athens. As you can see, we're on the 11th floor. So we have a nice view all around, and we're about midship here. If you were staying with family and friends, you could have the stewardess open the dividers between the balcony and open them up and make them larger, so you have a nice long balcony, kind of like a connecting room.